Some unfortunate series of events got me to be currently out of job. I decided to make some wooden toys and sell them online, so make sure to check out my Etsy store. I will post a link in the description. To make the wheels, I first drill a groove that is smaller in diameter than the wheel itself. And after that, I cut the full-size wheel by drilling half of the thickness from one side and the rest of the thickness from the other side. That makes it easier to pull out the wheel from the whole saw blade. I then spin two of the wheels with this drill on a drill stand. And sand them with 80 grit sanding paper and then with 150 grit sanding paper to make it very smooth. In most of the wooden cars that I saw, each wheel turns separately. What makes this car faster is that both wheels are connected together with lubricant on the axle itself. I covered the car body and the wheels with beeswax and olive oil that I mix by myself. I'm spreading one coat and then wipe it with a dry cloth. Then I cover it with a second generous coat, let it sit for 1 hour, and then dry it with a microfiber cloth. After I put a small amount of glue on the wheels, I am checking that there is enough clearance for the wheels to spin freely.